Hello everybody, welcome to Coding 101. We're back at it again with another classic basic exercise for you beginners out there. And I do encourage you and remind you once again that it is exam season. You should just check out my playlist to do a couple of exercises which will help improve your coding abilities and get you ready for whatever test or exam that you're about to venture into. So in this exercise, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to write a function that determines whether or not a number is a perfect number. A perfect number is a number that is equal to the sum of its vectors, of course not including the number itself. So if you have a number like 6 and it has vectors 1, 2, and 3, and 6 of course, but we're not going to include 6 to check whether or not 6 is a perfect number, we're going to use just 1, 2, and 3, and we just sum those up and see if their summation gives you 6. If they do, then that means 6 is a perfect number. If they don't, that would mean that 6 is not a perfect number. So let's just get straight into it, right? Let's write our function and then just write perfect number. Num is our input, and we create a boolean false. And then we just write our count here, because that's how we're going to count and see the summation of our vectors. We say for x in range, and we start at 1 because we don't want to check 0, because nothing is divisible by 0 anyway. I'm just going to say num divided by 2, and we say int because if we just say num divided by 2, that might give us a float, and we just want to make sure that it's an integer. And we say if num modulo x equal to 0, then what do? We count, because that is a vector, and we count, and we just want to find out the summation of those vectors, right? And now we're done, and then we get out of that for loop, and we say if count is equal to num, then what do? You return true. And if it is not, what happens? Return false. So that's essentially it. So now what we do is just we try to check if that is correct. Just want to make sure everything, and then we check with 6. Let's check with 6, right? Because we already know it is a perfect number, and it says true. Let's check with another number. Let's say maybe 28, sorry. It is a perfect number, so it should say true. Let's check with a number that's not a perfect number, like say 24, and it gives us an error. Did we not write perfect number properly? Okay, no, we didn't write a perfect number properly. That's just a simple mistake. And we just write 24 over here, and it says false. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you check out my other playlist, and I will see you next time on Coding 101.